Here we are, it's 2019 and I have got the 4930K to replace the 4820K that's currently in the computer. Again, this is X79 platform, so we're going to be doing a little bit of overclocking. We've got quad channel memory and a GTX 1080 Ti. So let's go ahead and see if a 4930K 6 core is still relevant in 2019. Alright, so let's go ahead and whip this processor out. So we currently got the Corsair H100i on here, which I purchased way back when I first bought the processor. And this is the original processor that I bought with the motherboard back in 2013. So here it is, the 4820K, and this is a quad core. I overclocked this for 4.4 gigahertz. I like the temperatures around then, possibly it could have went higher. This is the new 4930K, and this is the 6 core equivalent for this platform. Now there is a 8 core, but it's a Xeon 1680 V2, and at the moment the cost of that is around £350, whereas I picked this up for less than 100. Okay, so for thermal paste we've got the Thermal Grizzly Cryonauts. I think this is non-conductive, and I've heard excellent reviews online. So okay, so I've applied the thermal paste and I've gone with a little bit more because it is a bigger CPU. Obviously not as much as that Verge PC. So go ahead and fit the cooler back on. Okay, I'm back. So I took the graphics card out so I could get to the BIOS battery, took that out, waited a minute, plugged it back in, and now we are on the BIOS. So we're going to go ahead and enter this and see what settings we can change. Hey! Oh, there we are, we're in Windows. Maybe that's because I was trying to overclock it straight away. Let's have a look. Hey! Okay, so I've been using it for about 20 minutes playing Star Wars, and my FPS was pretty low. It was well, very low compared to what it used to be, around 60 FPS. And as you can see, the core temperature, or the core package, is at 90 degrees. So something is not right, and I can feel how hot. Bloody hell, that's really hot. I'm gonna have to shut this down I'm going to check this to make sure it's seated correctly. Okay, so I've pulled the computer off because it was worrying me a little bit. This is so toasty in here. Again, it was running at 90 degrees, so possibly I haven't seated the cooler correctly. Okay, let's try this again. Round 2. This time I've spread it out. I've never done it this way before. I've always used like I'm going to call it the large P technique. So let's see if this gives me a better temperature. Okay, so I've reseated it, and now the H100's going mental, probably because it's too hot. Temperatures are coming up at 88 degrees and we're only at 20% load. So something really weird is going on with this. I'm going to shut it down and try, I don't know, another thermal paste and see if that does anything. One last try with the Cooler Master one. I know this works because I had it with the 4820K and I had no issues with that. So, okay, so round 3 here. So we know it's not the thermal paste. Straight away our idle's jumping up to 70 degrees. The fans are going mad as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 4820K back in. Okay, so what was supposed to be a very simple upgrade from one processor to another has turned into a headache, and I've been here now for about 2 hours. So I thought, I was certain it was going to be the 4930K which was the problem. So I put the 4820K back in, and as you can see, that'll be the case. Bouncing all over the place, 71. And now my cooler is being weird. Lights are going crazy. So what I'm thinking is maybe my pump died exactly when I was upgrading the processor. So for now, I'm leaving it here, I'm going to bed, and I'll worry about it tomorrow. So I gave up last night and I went to bed, and I've grabbed this H60 off of my mini ITX computer. So this is one I had spare. With the H100, I tried to RMA it last week, but it just ran out of warranty, so the 5-year warranty ran out in January. Okay, so we got the H60 in and we got the 4930K. Let's go ahead and turn it on. I'm praying this boot's okay. Alright, so it seems to be idling okay now. Here we have something to monitor the temperatures, and we're getting around 40 to sort of 50 degrees. Now this cooler is a lot smaller than the H100, so I'm not expecting it to be as good. I'm just expecting it not to idle within like 90 degrees. So I'm going to load up a game and just run it for 10 minutes and see how hot it gets. Okay, so to summarise this video, and kind of forgetting what the point of it was, because originally all I wanted to do was upgrade the 4820K to the 4930K and see if it runs better in games, but I'm going to have to save that now for another video. It appears that this H100 is the culprit. Now I'm not too sure why it randomly failed on me, because I've had Star Wars open for about 15-20 minutes and the temperatures have not peaked over. At the moment it's running at 50 degrees, and the FPS, everything seems to be running fine. So I'm going to have a look into why this isn't working. Now the only thing I can think of is when I was taking it off, I was pulling up this wire a little bit, and I reckon maybe something's going wrong with the unit, with the power in the pump. I don't know. So again, I'm not too sure what the point of this video was, but I've currently got the H60 on there, which is, you know, doing an okay job, and I've got the 4930K 6 core, and this is X79 from what, 2011ish, 2013, somewhere around then. But it appears to be holding up in modern titles, which is good. I might do another video where I see if I can get this working, because this ran out, the warranty, the 5-year warranty ran out in January. So again, thank you for watching, and I'm going to go play some Star Wars.